we've been getting ready for the big 5G build-out for years. It really got rolling last year, but now it's got the momentum we need to invest in. So tonight I want to give you a variety of different ways to play it, which is why we've created the Mad Money 5G ETF, made from 10 of my favorite 5G names. We really had to boil this list down because there are many we could have put in, but we want these 10 because they're emblematic. Let's start with a wireless carrier, because that is where it all begins, right? Or all ends if you're a supplier. And we got to use T-Mobile. Now, that's been the best performer in the group, thanks to the leadership of the magenta-clad former CEO, John Legere. And then the hard-fought-Sprint merger that put it on a nearly equal footing with AT&T and Verizon, just like they pleaded in front of antitrust. More importantly, under new CEO Mike Sievert, T-Mobile's laid some serious groundwork for the 5G build-out, putting them in a great position going forward. Right now, the consensus among experts is that T-Mobile has the most widely available 5G network, although Verizon still has the fastest speeds if you're lucky enough to have coverage. The company's extended range 5G now covers 280 million people across nearly 1.6 million square miles. Earlier this week, they announced some new multi-billion-dollar agreements with Ericsson and Nokia to keep expanding that network. It really is a juggernaut. Under other circumstances, I'd feel nervous, including T-Mobile. The darn thing rallied 72% last year. But seeing as the stock has now pulled back a quick $8 from its highs, it had a good day today, just on Monday. And it went down for no particular reason, frankly. I think you're getting a good buying opportunity. Speaking of buying opportunities, how about this one? We need a cell tower play, of course, and I like one that has not been that good. Crown Castle, okay? Crown Castle's, I like it so much I bought it for the charitable trust, which you can follow along by joining the ActionAlertsPlus.com club. Now, the key here is that Crown Castle has spent many years, by the way, and billions of dollars, building out the infrastructure for ultra-fast 5G networks in densely populated areas. In the age of 4G, these bets haven't quite paid off yet, so the stock's been kind of a bow wow. But as more and more 5G-enabled devices get sold, that could change practically overnight, like we saw with the rollout of 3G not long after the original iPhone launched in the meantime. Hey, by the way, the great thing here, 3.4% yield. The stock was up today, and the reason why the stock was up today is because it's a real estate investment trust, and it is an interest rate play. So when I don't know if you saw that all the yielding stocks like American Electric Power, they all went up, including Crown Castle. So it's kind of trapped between real estate investment trust, rates, and the actual business it's in, which is cell towers. How about hardware? The most obvious play here, of course, is Apple. And it's always going to be Apple. Why? Because it's just launched the 5G-enabled iPhone 12 back in October, which I just got. You know my feelings on this one. Own it, don't trade it. I think Apple's poised to benefit from a huge 5G upgrade cycle. The company's reportedly asking suppliers for 95 to 96 million iPhone units this year. It's up 30% from 2020, and 5G isn't even widely available yet. By the way, it's doing very well in China, much better than people realize. As the networks get better, the story gets more attractive. Plus, you've got the rapidly growing service revenue stream that's making Apple into more of a consumer product story, not to mention the fabulous success of the AirPods and the Watch, or the ratcheting down of tensions with China. I think that's going to happen almost immediately with Biden. Now, see, it doesn't hurt that the stocks pulled back more than $10 from December highs.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.